What's going on, folks? Mark, Dlux Motorsports. Today I'm doing a quick video on this 2016 Toyota Tundra with 57,000 original miles. This has got the big 5.7 I-Force V8, lifted 8 inches on a BDS kit, running 35 Ditto ridge grapplers. Truck is immaculate inside and out. It's a local one-owner truck here in Virginia. Absolutely zero rust underneath. The paint is near perfect. If you're familiar with this color too, it's like an orange metallic. When you see this thing in the sunlight, the orange pops like crazy. It's a beautiful, beautiful color. So we just got it in. We're gonna be sending it off to detail inspection. Again, 2016, 57,000 miles, one owner, very well cared for, in immaculate shape inside and out. You'll see this truck for sale coming next week. Also look for a full video on our YouTube channel as well. If you haven't subscribed yet, in the bottom right corner, click the subscribe button. You'll be able to see more videos of this truck coming up, and also other trucks that we have coming up for sale as well. Until next time, see you then.